annual open day today here at the fire station. There's many displays for the children and younger people to go on. There's fairground rides. They can have a go at cutting up the car with our cutting equipment with the firefighters that are in attendance here. And obviously there is a serious message to this and promoting fire safety in the home. So there are people here to give out advice from having smoke detectors to chip pans, any type of fire safety that's needed. We can also come out and fit for free smoke detectors in your house and carry out home fire safety check. Today's station open day is open from 12 till 3. Hopefully people can come along and support the fire service and see what we do on a day-to-day basis.
First person to disconnect the battery on the police car was the prize.